Good morning, Standard 5. I am going to start chapter 6, Plant Reproduction and Agriculture. Dear student, in the previous topic in chapter 5, I explained you about the type of plants. Plants are basically of two types, flowering and non-flowering. So the plant which bear flower known as flowering plant and which do not bear known as non-flowering. So I am going to explain about the flowering plant. So dear student, flower, it is a reproductive part which used to consist of the male and female part, and after the fertilization ovule used to modify into seed and ovary modify into fruit. So dear student, first in this topic I am going to explain you about the seed. How we can define seed? Seed is ripened ovule. Ripened ovule. It contains embryo. Embryo are also known as baby plant which develop into a new plant. So dear student, how we can define it? So seed is a ripened ovule. Dear student, ripened ovule, and the ovule after fertilization it is to develop into seed. Let us understand seed with the help of diagram. Dear student, in the previous topic I explained you about the flowering plants according to the seed divided into two groups, monocotyledon plant and dicotyledon. So now you will be able to understand with the help of diagram. Dear student, these are the cotyledon or known as a seed leaf. Dear student, to understand in the practical way, take a mango seed and open it. You will get these two parts. These two parts known as a cotyledon. Cotyledon, or it is known as a seed leaf. Known as a seed leaf. So the seed which have single seed leaf or single cotyledon are known as a monocotyledon plant or the monocotyledon seed, and which used to consist is the dicotyledon seed, dear students. So I showed you here a seed with the two cotyledon or the two seed ring, and you see externally it is being covered by a protective covering, and this protective covering is known as a seed coat. It is known as a seed coat, dear student, which used to protect the seed and the baby plant from the adverse effect of environment. Internally you see there is baby plant, which is known as a embryo. Embryo or known as a baby plant. So dear student, this is the complete diagram of seed. Seed is externally covered by a protective covering known as a seed coat, and internally in the dicotyledon two seed leaves are present, and its main function is to store food or reserve food to nourish to the baby plant or to the embryo. So dear student, now you understood about the seed. Let us know the second topic, germination. So how we can define it? Germination can be defined as the growth of baby plant, the growth of baby plant or seed is known as germination. Known as germination. So dear students, this is the definition of germination. The growth of baby plant from seed is known as germination. And for germination, seed require a proper factor, and the factor which help in the proper germination are factors like air, water, and optimum or normal temperature. So dear student, the factor responsible for germination of seed are air, water, and normal temperature. Yes, sir. Normal temperature. So these are the three main factors essential for the germination of seed. So let us with the diagram understand about the germination. When a ripened seed get all this factor, it germinates. This is a seed. After getting the proper factor, it used to germinate. It used to germinate, yes, friend. It used to germinate. The part which come which is above the ground or above the soil, known as a shoot system, and which remain inside the soil and support to the plant, known as a root system, dear student. One thing more, you may have noticed, after the germination of a seed, you may have seen the newborn leaves. The newborn leaves are different in color, not green. They are light green or may yellow in color or may in brown in color. What is the reason behind it? The reason is behind that when the leaves you see are not green, it may be brown, it may be yellow, it means that the baby plant get its food from the cotyledon. From the cotyledon. As I have told you, cotyledon serves as storage of food. Once the stored food is being exhausted, the leaves turn to green and able to make their own food by the process photosynthesis. So dear student, two topics I explained you about here: seed and germination. So please you read the topic and learn the definition, dear student. Thank you to you all.